In this video, we will discuss how to configure a client for the standard 401k to Empower Move definition. Each client configuration will vary based on their plan specifications and will need to be configured accordingly. First, you will need to adopt the standard 401k to Empower Move definition to your account. To do so, click the Moves option on the left-hand side, then click the Add button in the upper right. We'll expand the retirement panel here and locate and select the standard 401k to Empower Move definition. A list of steps are shown specific to the standard 401k to Empower Move. To finish adopting the move to your account, click the Use This Move button. You've successfully adopted the Empower Move definition. The Empower Move will send a notification once the delivery to Empower is successful. This notification can be configured on the Move definition level shown here and on a client-by-client basis covered later in this video. To configure the notification step, click the cog icon here and toggle the Use Default Parameters to the off position. Enter an email address in the email address field. Multiple addresses can be entered here, separating them by a comma. Enter an email address to the Reply To field. This address will be used if the recipient of the notification replies to the email. Only enter a single address here. A predefined subject and body have been provided and can be configured based upon your needs. Click Save Changes to complete the notification step.
You are now ready to configure your client to send retirement data to Empower. To add a client, click on the Add button in the Move configuration section here. In the Client Entity field, click the plus sign to create a new client. We'll enter in the client's company code, followed by their company name, and then we'll click the Add button. The status field is important when configuring a new integration with Empower, as it provides the correct file name and SFTP directory while in their testing phase. This field should be set to testing until the testing phase has been completed. Then we'll select the client's expected payroll frequency, and we'll enter in a value in the File Name Starts With field. This value entered into the field is important as the file you send a data move must start with this value. We'll enter the client's company code here. Optionally, you can enter in a value in the File Name Contains field that identifies the specific configuration. Since this is retirement integration, we'll enter 401k here and click Next. Empower requires that the plan number be included in the file and used in the file name sent to them. If you do not store the plan number in payroll, then you will need to add a field override for the plan number field. To add a field override, locate the Action Transform step and expand the Fields Override panel. Click on the Add button, and then select the Plan Number Output field. Set the override type to text, and enter in your client's plan number. Earlier, we set up a notification step on the Move level that will send a notification once the retirement data has been sent to Empower. If you would like to include additional recipients specific to the client's configuration, locate the Action Notify step and toggle the Use Default Parameters switch to the off position. Here you can enter in additional email addresses separated by a comma. To complete the configuration, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next. On the next page, click Save. Your client is now configured for the standard 401k to Empower Move definition.